In this video, we are going to learn on how you can use Claude Code terminal in your Windows desktop. We'll start by installing Claude Code in your Windows desktop, and we'll then set up the environment variable so that you can use your Claude Code across all the different command line tools that you may have installed in your system. Setting up the environment variables also allows you to use Claude Code in any of the directories. We'll then eventually write a very first prompt to test if our Claude Code terminal is successfully installed. So let's get started. Visit claudecode.com and from the top menu bar, select Claude Code. On this page, you will be prompted to download the desktop application for Claude Code, which is not the goal of this video. To install the Claude Code terminal, click on the Read Documentation and under the Get Started, click on the terminal and make sure you are in the native install recommended. On Windows, you have a couple of options. You can either do it by PowerShell or you can do it by Windows command line. So I'm gonna click on this copy button, open terminal and paste it here and then press enter. As you can see, the Claude Code is successfully installed in your system. You can see the version and also where it is located. And if you go into that location, you can find the Claude over there. Now that our Claude Code terminal is installed, the next step is to edit the environment variables. Search for environment variables. Click on environment variables and under the system variables, select path and then click on edit. As you can see, I've already added C users admin /.local/bin, which is the location where my Claude Code is installed. Once you have done that, you can close the terminal and next time, if you just write Claude and press enter, it will ask you to trust the folder and there you go. Your Claude Code is available in your entire desktop. I can ask a very simple thing. Give me a sum of 2 and 2 and that should give you the result. And that's how you installed Claude Code terminal in your Windows desktop.